Yeah, my country people. Nah, wetin I just see today, the thing just shocktalize me. See, in fact, I come dey wonder which kind life we say we dey. Sotey as I dey talk to you now, wey this coronavirus tell everybody sit at home, everybody don decide now to stay at home for the whole Europe. Na all the animal come provoke. Na they come provoke, even one of them sef like pig now wan call goat. It still come enter voice call divert, e come enter my phone. I think say na person dey call me. Now I call the hear guy, wetin dey happen? Na these guys they don comot o. Me I first dey lis ten, I first make I dey watch who dey follow me dey talk, because I no first dey understand from the beginning. Na when I come here say na this one everywhere don go out, so how we go shop na, how we na I say you know hey go say sorry no vex, na call divert na him come cut call. Now I come from outside, now I come look for my window now I come see say you don start to dey call ape, you don call monkey, you don dey call the whole bird, because now food no dey, water no dey even for them to chop. Na dem dey call themselves say how dem wan do this kind matter. They don vex now, they don enter street. As I dey talk to you now, the whole street don full. The whole street don full. Upon say we don say make we stay for house, respect the lockdown wey dem lock everywhere. Na these people now the whole street now na animal. Oya watch.
The goats are taking over, roaming the deserted streets. Now that the humans in this town in Wales are following orders to stay home, there's no one to shoo them away. It's a phenomenon we're seeing all over the world. That's a civet crossing a main road in India. Can you believe wild pigs on the streets of Paris? And this bear is checking out a deserted neighborhood in Monrovia, California. In Thailand, screaming monkeys swarm a major intersection. The tourists have disappeared, and the primates have taken over. Talk about Planet of the Apes.
There's less and less people out in the streets, and wildlife are noticing.
David Mizejewski is a spokesperson for the National Wildlife Federation.
They're looking for sources of food and shelter and water, and just it's natural behavior for most species to kind of explore in their search for those things.
It's getting disgusting in hard-hit New Orleans, where rats have replaced the revelers on Bourbon Street. In Chile, this man-eating cougar was so brazen, he leaped over a 10-foot-tall security wall.
Our cities and towns and neighborhoods used to be wildlife habitat until we pushed them out. And so they're just exploring places where they probably haven't been able to go in generations.
Hey, this one, how Yoruba people dey talk am? Jekele, arúgbó jẹ gbèsè ta ló sọ. Na see matter. This one no be small thing. Me, I come dey wonder, this one wey these people go, they wan take over. Wetin dem dey mean now? Abi na dem call coronavirus, abi na dem invent. Na how I no just understand. Abi dem no dey happy say we dey for house, abi dem dey happy say we dey for house. I no understand. But anything wey you still think, if you say write am for down there sha, because the matter na come pass, be careful. All this, see, even tiger, all of them gbeke. Well, nevertheless I don't know wetin you think. Okay, now see, look, the whole street wey dey for Europe, all the whole street, everywhere, even the Vatican for Roman city, everywhere dey locked down. But you can't imagine them. trying to tell you. Everywhere locked down, everywhere. In fact, this stay at home. In fact, even the white people say, they don't dey vex now. They don't dey vex. Though they know they happy say people they die like that too. Like for Italy here now, every day we hear 500, every day 600, every day 900. This one died, this one recover, this one died, this one. You see what call they be like play. Even the Italian people now they don't they provoke. But anyhow way we sha. In fact, say we go call an animal kingdom. Now Europe, America, they don't talk to even India, they don't talk to animal kingdom. I bet we enter the next movie. The latest now where they happen now, this one now can't happen. Some people wake up in the morning. Now they can't see tanker we carry palm oil. You know all this red oil now where they use they cook. Now the tanker where you park whether na leak or as you use open I don't just understand. Now the prayer where the cities waiting for that area, they pray in the night. They call God, I beg, how we go do this coronavirus? So they say, must stay at home, nothing. Government of Nigeria don't give us anything. They don't pray finish in the night. In the morning, as they wake up, now they see as palm oil pour for the whole ground. As they tell you, see people, they call, Echiko, I beg, run, if you come and bring about 4-5 gallons. You saw Mama Cynthia, you saw Mama Kechi. Everybody can see you as people can they pack palm oil. I don't know whether na prayer where they pray now.
This is happening live at Ejin Road. People are scooping palm oil from a fallen. This is live palm oil live. Live at Ejin Road, opposite Dipco. You can see the level of hunger in this country. Take the opportunity of this thing here. This is
you see the guy matter. The matter can be. In fact, this one now what they call offerta. Italian people call them offerta. That is bonanza. Hey, bro, man, no lie. If na me dey there, I go pack. I dey look face. Even Slay Queen, if na even Slay Queen, if you reach there, you go pack. This one, Alpha, now bring bucket to this one, Alpha. Nah, see people just come from nowhere, just they pack oil. But I really pity for the company or the people who get them share. I pity for people who get them this kind loss for this kind time. Yeah, I know that, but I don't know waiting. I still think when I still put them, I'm able to enter for the next. Make everybody sit at home. Now, one family can see say at the time when they get opportunity to do burial. Me, I no can understand the type of understanding where some of my Igbo brothers they get. I no just understand how some they reason. When they say disease dey because of that, everybody stay at home. Now in one family confused, say na that time be the opportunity they go use do burial. The thing, as I see this, as they send me this information, I can't dey reason and they check them. I can't dey, what these people they try to do? Okay, now, for this kind time, when sickness, they kill many people. This kind time, when we say everybody go dey isolate themselves. This kind time when we say everybody supposed to sit at home. Now some people confuse say na funeral. Now to bury their, na true say e good to bury your loved ones. If you lost somebody or if you person wey you like or you love die, na true say you go bury am, but why not wait? After the pandemic, you go do your burial. Why not wait? Now this time now when people come they die, now you come feel say you go come put canopy. You come call your father or your reverend for church. Make you come do burial, so you go come bury this thing. I no come understand. Social distancing, I no know, brand it dey too hard to understand. Sit at home, I no know, brother, it dey hard to understand. But this time now you come dey call people from different people, your family, everybody. Although I still thank God for the intervention of maybe the authorities wey come tell them if you can only this, like Nigeria now, they say no social gathering above 20 people, if I'm not mistaken. If I dey wrong, make you still put me right. Now you come dey do burial wey be say burial now go take more than 50 people. If to say you call your family say okay, make we postpone this thing because of this pandemic wey dey now, e go dey better. But for you to go ahead, me I no support you. It's very dangerous. It's very dangerous. You see, the whole, if you come for Europe where there is law and order, everybody sits at home. Even people wey dey go church, even Easter day, everybody sit at home. The Vatican, nobody dey there. Even the Muslim, go Iran, make you go Dubai, make you go Iraq. All the mosques shut down. Now you now come be even the reverend wey come that day. To me, I feel say they supposed to even arrest and join for coming out. Yes, if even for not following the due process. I no say make you no bury, make you no get me wrong. I no say make you no do your burial. But that reverend supposed to tell them, leave this thing after this pandemic, then we go come do this burial. Or if you want put this person now for grant, I feel happy we go put am for grant. Maybe after the pandemic we go come do the burial. But I no just understand. They still go ahead. Put, you know, Igbo people with their burial now. You say na Hausa man die now. Now for that mat, wey dem roll am, now they just roll am put inside ground. But Igbo man, I don't know. You don't come turn burial to another this thing. Oh yeah, make it not be like.
Because if you're a member of the immediate family, just now bell. If you're not a member of the immediate family, get for news on our bell because please. Open if you're a member of the immediate family, now bell, go back to your house.
Ozibo.
BG, talk to say I canopy, sir.
Member of the immediate family and the
talk to say I canopy, sir. Because
all the other people go home. Member of the immediate family. Any other people leave for your life. I need to move around the one upon those. I know good to now. I know got Ali. Yes, no, now I keep getting alive. Justice. We said only the family to remain to bury the dead. Justice. Justice. Justice.
Somebody have them with tasty. Yeah, we don't have tasty. We don't know what they do earlier. Because when you see middle family, no, I can't really disrupt the phone in the but we don't want this service. So you have middle family now. Who was this alone? But not this time around. Because what I'm saying is now, if we leave, if we come back for Kwakra, we'll start making arrests. And if I'm coming back with the task force, police task force, on this very COVID-19. If you're not a member of immediate family, good. I permit you, because you will permit you. That's why you did that. I've been to 3 places today. That's why you did that. Can wear now. Come on, I can up to 3 places today. I permit you. I permit you because when I have to Monga, I permit you.
So they lied to us.
They lied to whoever that did that lied to you. And I want the person to come and stand before me and say no more.
All right. We go. You know, go if you go.
Immediate family.
Immediate family, please. I don't know now. So thank you.
I no just understand the kind continent or the kind womb wey born some people, sha. I no just understand. I no just understand. See, I know they laugh because of say dem do the wrong thing or dem do the right thing, but wetin I just dey laugh because of their mentality. At this time wey be say everybody suppose to like give social distancing, people suppose to sit at home, make dem respect so that they leave the government, make dem fit fight this pandemic. Now they come feel say dem wan come dey do burial. I no just understand some people with their mentality. I no just understand how some people dey think. Abeg, I use your mama, your papa, I use God, even anything wey dey there to you. Abeg, make una stay at home, make una respect distancing, and at least 1 meter from each other. And any gathering wey dey above, even if na for me, any gathering wey dey above 5 people, make una no even just stay there. Like play, this thing don dey creep in. Now Nigeria now they talk about maybe 300 plus. Thousands and thousands don die for Italy. Thousands and thousands don still die for Spain. America now, about 16,000 don die. We no talk of other countries. Now as you don enter Africa, we know say South Africa they don carry am. People like Senegal now, you don reach there. You don reach Nigeria, you don reach some other countries. Abeg, make una sit at home.